Lolo Dre here.
Hello po, Lolo.
As I've been labeled, thanks to BINI.
What's up?
Yeah. I had the pleasure to be able to collab with BINI last year with my friend Kenny.
I'm here with BINI. I just want some help how to riz my girlfriend in Tagalog. I don't know Tagalog that much, but I got the riz masters right here.
Just say, mamahalin kita kahit mabaho ang paa mo.
It seems like it's a full English song, if I'm not mistaken. I could be mistaken. Without further ado, be sure to check out my Patreon, link in the description down below. If you want me to check out any more Filipino music, anything Filipino, I feel like I need to be more in touch with my roots, being half Filipino myself. If you guys didn't know, I am half Filipino, half Jamaican. Blink twice, Cherrytown Daily. Fuzzy Heart Syndrome. Fuzzy Hearts. Oh, boots. Oh, the bright colors. Why do I look like Easter colors? You know what I'm talking about? Like spring colors. Oh, begin diagnosis. Attraction.
Well, I've got a lot of it.
Oh, okay, Miss Ma'am.
So baby, it's common sense.
What's common sense?
Just don't be anonymous.
Okay.
I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine.
Ooh.
Trying my best not to step up on your landmine.
Nope.
Let's have some fun with it, cause you know I'm running it.
Okay. Oh, robotic.
I'm lost inside your world.
Bro, she's my fave.
Symphony.
Miss Ma'am right here.
Like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. If
That-oo,
you
that-oo.
let me blink twice, are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice.
Ah.
If you let me blink twice,
If you make me blink twice. Okay, Miss Ma'am.
even thinking about me.
Oh, the change up.
He's just looking at me. Got me going crazy, baby. No, don't be lazy.
Ooh.
Come over and chase me. Yeah, you better
Oh, she look
amaze me.
fine.
I'm at this spot, baby. Tell me, are
Y'all
you
look fine.
ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside you.
Okay, cowboy. Cowgirl hat. Oh, not the the connection. Ooh. Oh, I like the bedazzled freaking outfits. Oh my god. Damn, girl. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, they look good.
He's not even thinking about me.
He's not even thinking about you. How are he not thinking about you?
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Hey.
If you really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you
Okay.
you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice.
Oh, the little radio effect too.
If you
Aw.
like me, blink twice.
She had a broken heart and now it's back together cause friendship. Ooh.
He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Hey.
He's not even thinking about me.
How can you not think about her? Them.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
What a whoa. BINI, BINI.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Okay, girl. Blink twice. Oh, they're so beautiful. They're so adorable. So talented. My God. Yo, give it up for BINI. Blink twice, everybody. Let's go. Come on, guys. Come on. Shoot, I'll be blinking twice. Be sure to put the comments down below what you guys think of BINI Blink Twice. Let me know who your favorite is. I think, to be honest, all of them are amazing. All of them are amazing. So I can't really choose my fave, even though I did say Malloy was my fave. I just think she's hilarious. I mean, they're all hilarious. They're all beautiful. But put the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre, Lolo Dre. I like the phrase Lolo Dre. It still caught me off guard, but Lolo Dre, amazing. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace out. Link in the description. Go check it out. Bye.
Hey,
you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.